This one skill will secure your future and how to learn it. We are sorry your service is no longer needed. This phrase coming from an employer is the worst nightmare coming to pass for a lot of working people. It's like the whole world crashing down on them. The good news is that you can secure your future from such heartbreak if you develop this one skill. With this one important skill, you'll become increasingly valuable to any employer. And if for any reason you get laid off, you can easily bounce back with a new better job or start your own business if that is what you want. First, you need to understand how quickly skills become obsolete and new skills get required in today's market. Let me share from my experience. I started After School Africa website over 10 years ago. At that time, you only needed to have a website or blog and post articles consistently to attract following. Then you needed to optimize your website for search engines, a skill that keeps evolving every quarter. Then again, you needed to practice what was called white hat link building, a practice that is today not that important. Then there was social bookmarking, Dig, StumbleUpon, and the rest of them. There was also directory submission and all that. We had people who became experts and offered consulting and training service on how to use these tools to grow your business or career. Tools that have become obsolete today. Then came social media, Facebook, followed by Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram. Oh, by the way, there was MySpace before all of them. And then suddenly you needed an Android and iOS mobile app for your platform. And now there is video blogging, podcasting. Few years ago, no one knew about Android or iOS development. Today, multi-million-dollar businesses and careers have been built around these industries. Presently, we're talking about AI, machine learning, blockchain, and all these other technologies. Do you know what is even more interesting? The skills to maximize the value of these innovations keep evolving. For instance, if you developed an Android app 7 years ago, you won't be able to perform with the same skill set today. In the midst of all these uncertainties, some professionals and business owners have continued to remain relevant in their industries. How are they able to do it? If there was one skill these people have in common, what would it be? Looking through this 10-year period of roller coaster changes, it's clear the one important skill to keep anyone afloat is what is called learnability skill. What is learnability? In today's rapidly changing work, it's not what you already know that matters. What is important is how quickly you can learn what you need to know. Learnability is the desire and ability to continually grow and adapt your skill set. And it is essential, no matter what your occupation is. Learnability will make you more employable for the long term than any other current skill you have. And this is best achieved through a consistent, intentional commitment to continuous learning. According to a study by Manpower Group, up to 65% of the jobs people born from 1995 upwards will perform don't even exist yet. And up to 45% of the activities people are paid to perform today could be automated using current technology. This won't necessarily mean fewer jobs, but it will mean new jobs requiring different skills. Add to that, the fact that 38% of employers say that they are already having difficulties finding people with the right skills to fill open jobs, and it is clear that there is a mismatch and skill deficiency in the market. How to develop your learnability skill. If new skills become in demand as fast as old ones become obsolete, employability is less about what you already know and more about your capacity to identify opportunities and learn the skills to harness them. It requires a new mindset for both employers trying to develop a workforce with the right skill set and for individuals seeking to advance their careers. Here's how to develop learnability. 1. Become a self-motivated learner. Ask yourself, when was the last time you read something from an unusual perspective and not just another article one of your friends shared on Facebook? When have you taken the time to wrap your head around a new industry, to engage in conversation on a subject outside your comfort zone? The online world of instant gratification will drown your curiosity muscle. To keep that skill sharp, you need to learn to dig beneath your surface. You have to be willing to spend your own time and dig into your own pockets to pay for relevant training. Take periodic online and offline courses. You will become more valuable to your current and future place of work. And if you aspire to start your own business, your learnability skill will be a valuable asset. 2. Only stay with employers that encourage learnability. Innovative companies are interested in the learnability skill of their employees. If your skill level has not improved or you have not learned a new thing in your current place of work over the last 1 year, you'd better start looking elsewhere. You need a learnability stimulating environment. 3. Seek out challenging opportunities in your place of work. Many organizations no longer pay too much attention to academic qualifications and hard skills. They understand that while this can be important, what entry-level employees learn during university often doesn't equip them for today's job market. So, they look for employees who are enthusiastic and demonstrate a willingness to learn new skills. Business owners want to offer the best learning opportunities to employees who they know will take advantage of it. They make the opportunity to learn new skills a prize to be earned by demonstrating curiosity and a genuine interest in acquiring new knowledge. So you have to demonstrate this hunger to learn and ask for challenging opportunities. The more learning opportunities you get, the more open you'll be to more learning opportunities. 4. Follow industry influences and trends. It is important that you be at the forefront of where your industry is going. Look out for industry influencers and thought leaders to follow on social media. Listen to industry podcasts and stay informed on trends and waves in your industry. 5. Surround yourself with learners. You want to hang around people who encourage and influence you to flex your curiosity muscle. This is also why it is important that you choose a place of work that encourages learnability. 6. Become an industry thought leader. In addition to following industry thought leaders, if you have passion for sharing information and knowledge, you can start a blog, a video blog, a podcast, or use your social media pages to build a reputation as a go-to person in your field. This will keep you consistent with learning and could position you for bigger opportunities. Remember to thumb up and share this video with someone who needs to watch this. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, now is a good time to hit the subscribe button. Until next time, your success matters.